Once again, my bad, YouTube. I got to working, man, and just went. But if you ever into the upholstery, man, you want to be able to do your own. Order you a thing of hog ties, man. Snips will get the original ones off. You want to be able to get this hog tie right here that has a slit in the middle so that your hog ties don't move when you go and you try snip it all down. But in here, it's a metal rod. So wherever you see a metal rod, the big hole, make sure you put hog tie, clamp it down, crimp it down. Crimp it down here, same thing, hog tie it down. When you come back, you finally get your hog ties all the way around, you get the finishing results. Brand new holster seat. Call me upholstery red, my nigga.